first row, B common from second row, C common from third row. Then we multiplied A to first column, take common from rows, multiply to columns. Now if you get A plus B plus C by using transformations, you can make x square minus y square as what? X plus y into x minus y, and take x minus y out. In second row take y minus z common, and when you are doing column transformation, at the same time you cannot do row transformation. Either you should do column transformation or you should do row transformation. So what is the first transformation? Column 1 is column 1 minus column 2. Column 2 is column 2 minus column 3. Welcome to the session, dear students. So in my last class I taught you properties of determinants and we could do some of the problems. Last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ properties of determinants ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಗೈಡೆಡ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಥರೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ನ ನಮನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಥರೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಥರೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್, then you can apply the same to solve the problems. When to apply which property depends on RHS of the problem. So we'll see different types of problems. As much as possible I'll guide you the hints and start practicing as many problems as possible. Okay, so now we'll start with the very first problem which has been appeared in your board exam. So these are all the standard 4 mark questions. So now in the first tier I'll be doing few problems which already appeared in the past board papers. So now this is a standard problem that appeared in the past board paper. If you see the RHS, ABC into 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C is there. So to arrive that, so we have to simplify this. They told using properties. We need to use properties. No direct expansion. We have to use properties. We'll use properties to derive it. Now take LHS. Let us take LHS. And in LHS, we'll perform C1 implies C1 minus C2. C1 is C1 minus C2 and C2 implies C2 minus C3. So first column is first column minus second column. Second column is second column minus first column. I can also say C1 dash means new value of first column is first column minus second column. C2 dash new value of second column is second column minus third column in LHS. So then the problem, so now I have to subtract this minus this. 1 plus A minus 1 is A. 1 minus B, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, it will be minus B. Then 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Similarly, C2 is C2 minus C3. So subtract this and this. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 1 plus B minus 1 is just B. Then 1 minus 1 becomes 0 and minus C. See here 1 minus of 1 plus C. If you expand, what happens? 1 minus 1 minus C. These two cancels, minus C. So I am writing directly. Then third column we are not disturbing. Write the third column as it is. So what is third column? 1 1 1 plus C. Write it as it is. So now the problem reduced. So now expand this. So we have done at a time you can do maximum of 2 transformations. One step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೋ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. And when you are doing column transformation, at the same time you cannot do row transformation. Either you should do column transformation or you should do row transformation. So at a time maximum you can do 2. So we have done 2. So now the problem reduced. You can expand this. So now all of you know 3 cross 3 determinant expansion. Expand it. So that is plus minus plus plus minus plus and expand this. So if you expand A into, delete the column and row where A is, you will have 4 elements. Multiply them. B into C plus 1. A into B into C plus 1. B into 1 is B plus BC minus C into 1 is minus C into 1 is minus C. Already we have minus of minus becomes plus C. Then minus second element. What is the second element? 0. Now don't delete anything, and because you know 0 into anything ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So 0 ಬರ್ದಿ directly go to the third one. So plus 1 into, delete the column and row where 1 is. So multiply minus b into minus c is minus into minus becomes plus, it will become plus bc. So delete the row and column where it is, then minus into minus becomes plus, b into c is bc minus 0 because 0 into b. So now simplify this. A into b ab plus a into bc abc plus a into c ac plus b into c bc. These are the values. Now if you observe the RHS, always decision depends on RHS. RHS na nodi, RHS alli ende a into b into c beku. So take abc common. So I'll take abc common. If I do that, here we have only ab. What is missing? C is missing, so it will become 1 by c. Now you multiply madadre abc into 1 by c, c cancels, it will become ab. Similarly here all abc are there, so it will become 1. Here what you have? AC. You have taken ABC out. What is missing here? B is missing, so write 1 by B. Illenide BC ide. N miss agide. A miss agide. So write 1 by A. That's it. This is a way to take common. Now rearrange, you got the answer. So can I write ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು ಹೌದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು ಹೌದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಲೆ ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು 1 1 1 ಇದೆ, ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ C1 ಮೈನಸ್ C2, C2 ಮೈನಸ್ C3. ಕಾಲಮ್ 1 is ಕಾಲಮ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 2, ಕಾಲಮ್ 2 is ಕಾಲಮ್ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Once it gets reduced, then you expand by normal method, you got the answer. So 2 operations we have done in one step. That is more than sufficient. Problem reduces, you can expand ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ second element is 0 into anything is 0, just you write 0 and go to third element. So first element delete the a into, delete the column and row, expand this. Second element don't touch it because 0 into anything is 0, directly plus 1 into, delete the row and column and expand it, you will get it. I hope all of you understood this. One of the important problem. So remember, what is the first transformation? Column 1 is column 1 minus column 2, column 2 is column 2 minus column 3, makes the process simpler and faster. Do we have to use only this transformation? Not necessarily. You can use other row transformations ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. R1 minus R2, R2 minus R3 ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Either you can use row transformation or you can use column transformation. This is one method. So in today's class, maximum I am using this transformation because it gives results for many problems. We'll go ahead with next problem. So idin taleli itkoli. So take LHS and do what? C1 dash is C1 minus C2 and C2 dash is C2 minus C3. I told you it is like playing chess. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ಇದೇ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ರೂಲ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ R1 minus R2, R2 minus R3 and expand, you will get the same result. But always we follow the lane. So same processನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and these are all regularly asked repeated questions, so don't trial. So follow this, it will become faster and better. Next, A minus B, B minus C, 2A, 2A, 2B, B minus C, C minus A. See, last problem also, one diagonal, except diagonal, all other elements are one terms and that is 1. Here also it is almost same. But right side they want A plus B plus C the whole cube. Somehow if you get A plus B plus C by using transformations, then your process is solved. So if I observe this problem, if I add or subtract, there is a chance of getting. So A minus 2A becomes minus A. And already we have minus B minus C, so we can again take the same transformation what we used in the last case. Last case alle use madira transformation use madadrinda process simple agutte. In last case what was the transformation we have taken? So the same thing will follow. So LHS will take, in LHS I'll take, what is the transformation? C1 dash, new value of C1 is C1 minus C2, and C2 dash is C2 minus C3. So when you perform this, C1 minus C2 means this and this you have to subtract. Minus B minus A henge irutte. A minus 2A becomes what? Minus A. So it will become minus A minus B minus C. Here 2B minus B. 2B minus B becomes B. Carefully see, I will show the 2B minus, we have to do B minus C minus A. For your sake, to make you understand, I am showing this step, it's not necessary. Expand madadre 2B open the brackets minus b, open the brackets plus c, minus into minus plus a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is 2b minus b? b. So it will become b plus c plus a. Understood? So second element minus second element ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2b minus b becomes positive b and minus of minus c becomes plus c. We are subtracting. So 2b minus of this whole thing. So how to do column transformation? Corresponding elements you should subtract. First element minus first element, second element minus second element, third element minus third element. Second element minus second element separate again, you can do it and then you can substitute. So you can avoid mistakes. So now it will become what? B plus C plus A. Can I say A plus B plus C? Then third element minus third element, simple. 2C minus 2C is 0. Hope all of you understood. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. But minus, when it is minus, use parenthesis or brackets. Now you subtract minus into b minus b, minus into minus plus c, minus into that. Then now C2 implies C2 minus C3. C2 minus C3, 2a minus 2a, 0. B minus C minus a minus 2b. See, b minus b becomes b minus 2b becomes b, or C2 minus C1, 2a minus 2. See here, if I am doing it, I am getting sign different. Nodi, minus C minus a bandbidutte. So we'll do one interesting fact. See, first I tried with common thing. Now little changes. So the change is decided depending on what we got here. So what is the change? Simple. You can also perform. So now I'll do reverse of this, because if I do reverse of this, I'll get a favorable result, that is a plus b plus c is possible. So now always we have to take decision depending on RHS. So now b minus b ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? b minus 2b is what? b minus 2b is minus b minus, okay. So C2 dash is C2 minus C1, that's what we have done. So do the same operation. 2a minus 2a is 0, b minus b is minus b, b minus 2b ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ, ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಸ್ಟ್ 2c minus c, 2c minus c is ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಶೋ ದಿಸ್. 2c ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2c ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2c minus c is c, so all becomes positive here. This is important. Here all are negative. Then last column, retain it. Last column is 2a, 2b, c minus a minus b. Any doubts? So if you remember what we have done in the first case, same thing I am doing. That is simple transformation. C1 is C1 minus C2. C2 is C2 minus C3. So column 1 minus column 2 ಮಾಡಿ column 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, column 2 minus column 3 ಮಾಡಿ. The same thing we have done. Now you can observe, I can take minus common. Before that, can I rewrite it as? Can I rewrite the first column as minus common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if I take minus common, it will become a plus b plus c, first column first element or first row first element, 0 to a, and the second element, what is the second element? A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Then in this again I'll take minus common, so I'll get minus a plus b plus c, then 2b. Then last element 0, here I have a plus b plus c, and the last element is what? C minus a minus b. Last column we have not disturbed, let it be. I hope all of you understood what we have done here. So now in the first row, take a plus b plus c common. From the first row, taking a plus b plus c from C1 separately, and also you can take that in C2 separately. C1, first column I will take a plus b plus c common, and second column also I can take a plus b plus c common. If I do that, what I'll get? So a plus b plus c from first column I took it out, then I'll take from second column a plus b plus c, then whatever is left out I'll write. What is left out? This will become minus 1, 0 to a, and first column if I take, this will become 1, this will be 0. From 0 you can take anything common. Second column 0 as it is, and I have taken a plus b plus c out, so it will become minus 1, and this I have taken out, so it will become 1. Then remaining elements, what are the remaining elements? 2a, 2b, c minus a minus b. Now expand it. So if you expand, again you should get a plus b plus c. So already a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c is a plus b plus c the whole square. So we got whole square. So again I need whole cube. So now you need to expand it. You know how to expand 3 cross 3, you expand it. So plus minus plus. So plus into minus is minus, minus 1 into, delete the column, delete the row. So if I multiply minus 1 into this, if I multiply, all sign changes. Minus 1 into c is minus c, it will become plus a plus b, then minus, so multiply these two, it will become 2b. Then 0 into anything is 0, leave it. Then last element, what is the last element? Plus, last element is 2a, delete the column and row, you'll have 1 ones are 1, minus 0. Simplify this, I'll write this above. So now we'll simplify this. So I have a plus b plus c the whole square into, so if you multiply or simplify, b minus b is what? B minus 2b is minus 3b, and expand it. So here minus 1 into, deleting these two, it will become minus c plus a minus b into minus b plus b. Simplify madi. So b minus 2b is minus b minus c and a. So first in the brackets, so we have minus 1, a positive, then b minus 2b is minus b, then minus c, and this is 2 into a 2a. Simplify this, a plus b plus c whole squared, multiplying this we'll get minus a plus b plus c plus 2a. Here minus a plus 2a becomes what? A. So last is simple, already I have a plus b plus c whole square into a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c the whole square into a plus b plus c, I'll write it here, it will be a plus b plus c the whole cube. This is the RHS. I hope all of you understood this. First we started with LHS. LHS in ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, and we have done two operations in first step. What is that? C1 dash is C1 minus C2 and C2 dash is C2 minus C3. First column is first column minus second column, and second column is second column minus third column. When I expand, I'll get this. Then from first column take a plus b plus c common, second column take a plus b plus c common, it will become a plus b plus c the whole square. Then you expand the remaining thing. When you expand the remaining thing, you will get again a plus b plus c, multiply them, a plus b plus c the whole cube you will get. This is a simple process. I am repeating, determinant problems can be proved by properties in different ways. Solving this problem more than one way is possible. I told you, you can use the properties in terms of row, you can do it. In terms of column, you can do it. So, but whatever I am doing, I am following the same method. First problem I have done, C1 dash is C1 minus C2. Second problem I have done, same. So now, depending on RHS, we are taking a decision. Next, x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, y, z, z, x, x, y, and they want x, y, x minus y. You can see x is in first row and y is in second row. If I want x minus y, the first decision is r1 dash is r1 minus r2. Similarly, y minus z is there, so r2 minus r3. So here I decided what to do depending on RHS. RHS ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಲೆ ಓಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ವೈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ r1 ಮೈನಸ್ r2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ LHS and we'll do r1 dash means new value of first row will be first row minus second row, and new value of second row will be second row minus third row. If you do this, the process becomes simpler. So determinant of this minus this gives you x minus y, and this will become x square minus y square, and yz minus zx. Please observe yz minus zx. I'll take z common. Can I write y minus x in one step only? It actually ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ yz minus zx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. In these two z is common. I took it out and it is y minus x. When I observe this, here I have x minus y, x minus y, and if I take minus out, it will become x minus y. That we'll do in next step. Then r2 is this. R2 is what? R2 minus r3. Why I am doing this? Because I want this term y minus z. So y minus z is possible when I do r2 minus r3, second row minus third row, corresponding element subtract ಮಾಡಿ. So y minus z, then y square minus z square. Similarly here these two commonly contains x, x I'll write out, and then I'll have z minus y. Then last row we are not disturbing, write as it is z z square xy. Now taking common, from first row I can take x minus y common, because a square minus b square, all of you know what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So I'll write this as x minus y. Here what I have? X square minus y square. All of you know what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So can I write x square minus y square as x minus y into x plus y? Bariboda? Amala z. So here I have x minus y, but here I have y minus x. So I'll take minus common. So minus z is equal to what? X minus y. In the second row, I'll write it as y minus z. Then y square minus z square can be written as y minus z into y plus z. And again, because I could see y minus z, I'll take minus common, minus x into y minus z. Now last, z square xy. So LHS is getting reduced. Now you can observe and take common. So when you observe, in the first row x minus y is common, in the second row y minus z is common, we'll take it out. So we have to specify what we are doing. So we'll write it, what we are doing, taking x minus y common from R1 row 1 and y minus z you can take common from R2. Can we do this? Because in first row we can see x minus y is common, second row we can see y minus z is common, we'll take them as common. If I do that, I'll have x minus y out and y minus z out. So x minus y, when you take common from first row, it will become 1 and this will become x plus y and this will become minus z. Second row, first element becomes 1 and because we have taken y minus z out, it will become y plus z. Then last element becomes, so we have taken y minus z, so it will be minus x. And last row, z square xy will be as it is. Now further you can do transformation to reduce this. So what you can do, I can make R1 minus R2 madadra, the length reduces, then you can expand. Directly you can expand, but so we need z minus x. So we cannot get z minus x here. If I subtract these two, R1 dash is R1 minus R2 madadra, 1 minus 1 is 0. So it will be x, y cancels, it will become x minus z. So then this will become minus z plus x or x minus z agutte. So what I will do, R2, R1 dash implies R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1 madadre, then I will have x minus y, y minus z, and so I have to subtract this minus z. So 1 minus 1 is 0, y plus z minus y cancels, it will become z minus x plus z, this will become z minus x, remaining 1, y plus z minus x, z square xy. Now problem is reduced, now you expand it. You can take out z minus x common from first row. Take z minus x common from first row and expand. So now take common. Taking common, what you can take, z minus x. So already we have x minus y outside, y minus z outside. Now you take z minus x out from first row. So take what? Take z minus x from row 1, R1. So that what is left out? Determinant of 0, then 1, 1, then remaining 1, y plus z, then minus x, then z square xy. Now expand this, you have to get the last term xy plus yz plus zx. So now we need to expand this. You know how to expand 3 cross 3 determinant and expand it, usually you will get the answer. So we will get finally x minus y, y minus z into z minus x into the last term, that is xy plus yz plus zx. I am leaving this part for you to expand. So you will get RHS. Means here plus minus plus hakbito, regular expansion you know. So expand that is RHS. So let me repeat this. One of the interesting problem, when you see RHS x minus y and y minus z, so decision is R1 dash is R1 minus R2. If you do, you will get x minus 1, and R2 dash is R2 minus R3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get y minus z. Then if you observe the first row, you can make x square minus y square as what? X plus y into x minus y, and take x minus y out. In second row, take y minus z common. Then again do the transformation depending on z minus x. R1 is R2 minus R1 will do. Why I will do R2 minus R1? Because I want z minus x. So if I do like this, I will get x minus x. If I do R1 minus R2, I will get minus. Again I should take minus common. It said x. After you doing that, after you do that, what is the conclusion? Expand it, you will get the answer. This is also interesting and important. So by now we have done 3 problems, but the first two, C1 dash is C1 minus C2, C2 dash is C2 minus C3, reduce the length of the problem. But here, depending on the RHS, we have done row transformation. Means you can do row transformation or you can do column transformation to get the answers. Next, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. If I want A minus B, A is in first column, B is in second column. So what is the conclusion? C1 is C1 minus C2, C2 is C2 minus C3, because you can get A minus B and B minus C at a time. Take LHS and perform. So LHS will take, and what is the operation? C1 dash is C1 minus C2. Because how I decided C1 minus C2? Because I want A minus B. A is in first column, B is in second column. So first column minus second column gives you this. And similarly, B minus C means C2 dash, new value of second column is C2 minus C1, C3, C2 minus C3, third column, because B is in second column, C is in third column, that's it. Decision is depending on RHS. Now, at a time you can do 2, so we have done 2 operations, that is equal to, so now 1 minus 1 is 0, A minus B is A minus B, then A cube minus B cube, further 1 minus 1 is 0, B minus C is B minus C, and B cube minus C cube is B cube minus C cube, and last column 1C C cube. Now, if you see the first column, we have A minus B, but here it is A minus B, A cube minus B cube. So write the formula for A cube minus B cube. What is A cube minus B cube? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. All of you know the formula for A cube minus B cube. What is A cube minus B cube? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. This is the key hint for the problem, because I have to write it in terms of A minus B, because I need A minus B out. So when I observe A minus B above, so how to make this A minus B? Use the identity. A cube minus B cube can be written as A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So now 0 A minus B, can I write the last element as A minus B into what? A square plus AB plus B square. Similarly, next column, take 0, B minus C, let it be, B cube minus C cube. How to write B cube minus C cube? Same, use the formula. So can I write it as B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. Then last 1C C cube. 1C C cube. Last column we are not disturbing. So now further, from first column you can take what common? A minus B. So mention that taking A minus B common from C1 column 1, and in B minus C what is common? B minus C lane common ide. Sorry, second column lane common ide. In second column you have B minus C. Take B minus C common. B minus C common from C2. So if you do that, first column is A minus B out, and second column is B minus C out. Whatever is left out, you write them. So it becomes 0, 1, then A square plus AB plus B square. A square plus AB plus B square. Similarly, second one 0, 1, A square plus B square plus BC plus C square. B square plus BC plus C square. Then last 1C C cube. So now we got 2 terms. Remaining you expand, you will get the third term. Expansion is easy. 2 elements already are 0. So expand with the third. So now A minus B into B minus C into, so 0, leave it 0. Take 1 into, delete the column, delete the row, you'll have 1 into this. So it will become B square plus BC plus C square minus these 2. Minus 1 into this is minus A square minus AB minus B square. Further simplify this, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, sorry, B minus C into, further we can rewrite it, we want C minus A. Remember we need C minus A, so we have to simplify this. So you can see B square and A square. b square minus a square. So here I can cancel b square and minus b square. So here we have bc and minus ab. In these two I can take out bc common. So bc minus ab, I will take b common. bc ಮತ್ತು minus ab ಅಲ್ಲಿ b common ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಾ? If I take b common, what is left out? c minus a. Then we'll have here these two, group them, c square minus a square plus c square minus a square. Further, a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Going ahead, now we'll write a minus b. Then I'll write b minus c. Then I'll write b into c minus a. And this is c square minus a square. C square minus a square can be written as c plus a into c minus a. C plus a into what? C minus a. Now simplify this. A minus b, b minus c. Then we have in these two terms, again you can take c minus a. In the brackets, here we have c minus a, here we have c minus a. Take c minus a out. C minus a, if I take it out, what is left out? In the brackets I'll have a plus b plus c. This is the RHS. Hence the proof. It's interesting. After you expand, grouping c square minus a square and writing c square minus a square as c plus a into c minus a is important. And in these two terms, bc ಮತ್ತು minus ab ಅಲ್ಲಿ b common ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು important. Afterwards, you can take c minus a out and we'll get the answer. This is also interesting, simple, important problem. So now we have done 4 problems. And every problem has been appeared in your past board papers. These are all the NCERT exercise problem. So solve all the problems, but every problem comes by practice. So first you can also do trial and error in your exams. You can do that property, you can do row, you can do column, but it will be a time killing process. So practice them thoroughly. And here I told you decision is depending on RHS. RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ a minus b ಇತ್ತು. So a is in first column, b is in second column. So I decided to do c1 minus c2. ಆಮೇಲೆ we had b and c. b minus c to b is in which column? Second column. C is in which column? Third column. So I decided to do c2 minus c3. Then later, afterwards, normal expansion. After normal expansion, I have to reach my target. My target contains c minus a. So when I observed c minus a is not there. So c square minus a square can be written as c plus a into c minus a. Further simplify, you'll get the answer. I hope all of you understood this. So by now we have done important problems, 4 standard problems. Now we'll go with next one. Yes, this is one of the interesting and important problem. So till now we have done column transformations and row transformation directly, but here if you see the observation, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square is there, but here 1 plus a square is there. I can't add. If I add columns also, I will not get b square c square. If I add rows also, I will not get. So first I should reduce it. So you can take common. So now taking, we'll take LHS, and in LHS we'll take taking a comma b comma c. I'll take common from row 1, row 2 and row 3 respectively. I am taking common from row 3 respectively. So if I do that, first row, if I take a common, first row becomes, this will become a, and there is no a here, so it will become 1 by a. This will become b, this will become c. Are you able to follow? ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಕಾಮನ್ನು. ಎ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬೈ ಎ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಫ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಎ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ. ಸೇಮ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಐಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಮನ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 by b, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸಿ. Third row, you take c common. So if a c is out, then it will become a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ c ಆಚೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಇದು b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ c ಆಚೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಒಂದು c ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1 by c ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is simple. Now multiply a to first column, multiply b to second column, multiply c to third column. What I am doing? I am multiplying. I took common first, now I am multiplying. From row you take common, from column you multiply. So multiplying a comma b and c to c1 comma c2 and c3 respectively will multiply. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? I'll multiply a to the first column. First column a multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what happens? a into a is a square. a into 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will become 1. I am multiplying a into a square, this. Then I should multiply second column, multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. We took common from row, but we are multiplying to what? Column. So a into a square a into a square. So I got a square. Then I multiply b to the second column. If I multiply b to the second column, b already is there. So b into b becomes b square. This will become b into b square plus b into 1 by b becomes 1, and this will become b square. Now multiply c to the third column. When I multiply, this will become c square. Second element becomes c square. C into c is c square. C into 1 by c becomes 1. I hope all of you got this. Now you can observe a square plus 1, b square, c square. Interesting. I want 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. ನೀವು ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದಿಸ್. C1 dash means new value of first column is first column plus second column plus third column if you add enough. So if I add this, so I'll add this to this and this. These two I'll add to this. So it will become a square plus 1 plus b square plus c square, or can I write it as 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square? And second element, a square plus b square plus 1 plus c square, again this will become 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. And third element, again this will become a square plus b square plus c square plus 1, or 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Then further write the second column, that is b square plus 1 b square. Then last c square plus 1. Now what is common in the first column? In the first column you can see 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square is common. Take common. Taking 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common. If I take common from first column becomes 1 1 1. Then remaining elements. What are the remaining elements? B square, then c square, then b square plus 1 and c square, then b square c square plus 1. Now simplify this. How to simplify? Always when you get 1 1 1, the best process is r1 dash is r1 minus r2, r3 dash is r3 minus r1. I hope all of you understood till this part. First what I have done, take ABC common, a common from first row, b common from second row, c common from third row. Then multiply a to first column, b to second column, c to third column. Then you will get a term, when you observe, if I add all the column elements, I will get a 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. That's what I have done. Then take out 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common. You will get the required value. I hope all of you got this. Now we'll go ahead. Now I'll go ahead with the remaining part, that is 1 plus perform r2 dash is r2 minus r1. Always see, when I see 1 1 1, always the hint is itra 1 1 1 idre make this 0, make this 0. How to make this 0? Common operation, always I'll use r2 minus r1. r3 dash is r3 minus r1. So then I'll write 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square as it is. And the remaining part, what is the remaining part? This I'll write as it is. Remaining part we have to do r2 minus r1. r2 dash is r2 minus r1. First row let me write as it is, 1b square c square hangge irli. So this r2 minus r1, this minus this, if I do 1 minus 1 is 0, and b square plus 1 minus b square becomes just 1. Then c square minus c square becomes 0. Then do this 1 minus 1, r3 minus r1, third row minus first row madadre 1 minus 1 is 0, b square minus b square is 0, and there third row c square plus 1 minus c square is how much? C square 1. That's it. So below diagonals, you can see below the diagonal all the elements are zeros. If below the any one side of the diagonal, if elements are zeros, then the value of determinant is product of the diagonal elements. Or you expand it, direct expansion also gives you the product of this. So answer is 1 into 1 into 1 left out. So what is left out? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into 1. Into 1 is what? Same. So we'll get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square is equals to RHS. So if any one side of the diagonal, if elements are zeros, if any one side of the diagonal, see this is a diagonal, one side of the diagonal, if elements are zeros, if you expand, you will get answer as product of the diagonal elements, 1 into 1 into 1. Or you expand it, only one time you will get, that is 1 into 1 into 1, you will get 1. So you got the RHS. One of the interesting and important problems. First we took a common from first row, B common from second row, C common from third row. Then we multiplied A to first column, take common from rows, multiply to columns. Then what you should do? C1 plus C2 plus C3 if you do, you'll get same element. Take it out as common. Then it will come 1, 1, 1. Whenever you get 1, 1, 1, I told you can remember R2 dash is R2 minus R1, R3 dash is R3 minus R1 is fixed, so that many problems becomes reduced. Or you can do depending on the situation, not an issue. But to remember this is better. Means whenever you get 1, 1, 1 in a column, R2 dash is R2 minus R1, R3 dash is also R3 minus R1. I am removing common row. It's not necessary always to do this. Depending on the problem, we can solve. So now we have done all the important problems for today's session. So I could cover 5 important 4-mark questions which already appeared in the board exams. On each and every problem, please practice them and become thorough. And in your last section, part E section, there will be 10-mark questions. So 6 mark plus 4 mark, and that combination 4 mark will be from determinant. One from determinant, one from continuity chapter. So conclusion is simple. So practice this so that your speed improves. There, don't trial and do the transformations. So transformations direct row column operations ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So practice them and see what is the hint required. And I told you always the hint is RHS. RHS will guide you whether to do column or whether to do row operation. So by this I've done all the types of standard problems that appeared in the past board paper. In my next session also we'll continue with more problems of properties or more proofs using properties, and we'll continue with more and more problems. So what I expect from you people is practice these 5 problems what we have done today, and remaining few more problems we'll do, so you'll become thorough with this proofs. Thanks for attending the session. I'll see you in my next session with some more problems of solving using properties of determinants. Thank you.